machine. Okay, this is your last module according to the Manipal. And in the last module, every time I can't say like maximum time, they'll give you this thing for the theory only, right? So this is only the thing which you can score, correct? So in this, it will cover in BT syllabus. In the last module, it will cover DC. Basically, your last module name is electrical power system, right? So in this, it will include electrical machines. In machines, will include DC machine, AC machine. AC machine is further divided into two category. One is the induction machine, induction motor we can say. Another one is the synchronous motor. So basically, what is the difference between the induction motor and the synchronous motor? In induction motor, speed is always variable. We can change the speed according to our requirement, but in synchronous motor, speed is always constant. Okay, we can't change the speed. So in this we will study about the both the motor, DC motor and AC motor. Another question they can ask you from the transformer. So I will tell you about the basic of transformer and will tell you only those questions which already comes in exam. Okay. Another thing they can ask you a simple energy meter. Basically, it is a digital energy meter. Do you know what is energy meter? Energy meter is a kind of meter which is present in your home also, which gives your billing. Like in front of your house, which includes unit, that how much units you have consumed today and how much units you have consumed in a month, right? So what we conclude in this last module, we'll have simple three topics. One topic is related to the machine, another topic is related to the transformer, and another topic is related to the energy meter, that is digital energy meter. So from these three topics, two topics will definitely come, means two questions will definitely come. Okay, clear? So every time according to Manipal, either they'll give you machine will definitely come. In transformer, if they'll give transformer, they won't give energy meter. If they will give you energy meter, then they won't be able to give transformer. Every time they will give you the machine. Okay. And as I told you, either they can give you the DC machine or they can give you the AC machine. So in total, we'll have four questions only. DC, AC, transformer, and energy meter. So in those four questions, two questions will definitely come. Understood? And maximum time they'll give you the theory part only. Very rarely they have give you the numerical. So it's a much scoring for you and it is the only option to get pass full. Right?